Yorkshire, England's largest historic county. Yorkshire is the largest historic county in England, renowned for its rich history, stunning landscapes, vibrant cities, and proud cultural heritage. Located in northern England, it is often called God's own country because of its breathtaking countryside, rolling hills, dramatic coastlines, and charming market towns. Yorkshire offers a unique blend of natural beauty, historical landmarks, and modern attractions, making it one of the United Kingdom's most popular destinations. Yorkshire has a long and fascinating history that dates back thousands of years. The region was inhabited by ancient Celtic tribes before becoming part of the Roman Empire. During the Viking Age, the city of York became an important settlement known as Jórvík. In medieval times, Yorkshire flourished through agriculture, trade, and the wool industry, while magnificent castles, abbeys, and churches were built across the region. Yorkshire is famous for its diverse landscapes. It is home to 3 spectacular national parks: the Yorkshire Dales, the North York Moors, and part of the Peak District. Visitors can enjoy scenic valleys, limestone cliffs, waterfalls, forests, and peaceful villages. Along the east coast, dramatic cliffs, sandy beaches, and fishing towns provide stunning views of the North Sea. The historic city of York is one of Yorkshire's greatest attractions, known for its medieval walls, magnificent York Minster, and narrow streets filled with shops and cafes. Other major cities include Leeds, Sheffield, Bradford, and Hull, each offering museums, theatres, shopping centres, and cultural experiences. Yorkshire is also home to grand stately homes such as Castle Howard and Harewood House. Yorkshire has a strong cultural identity, reflected in its distinctive dialect, traditional foods, and local customs. Yorkshire pudding is one of England's best-known dishes and is often served with roast beef. The county is also famous for its cricket tradition, literary heritage, brass bands, and agricultural shows. Writers such as the Bronte sisters were inspired by Yorkshire's dramatic landscapes. Historically, Yorkshire's economy was based on farming, wool production, coal mining, and steel manufacturing. Today, the region has a diverse economy that includes finance, manufacturing, healthcare, education, technology, tourism, and renewable energy. Its universities and research institutions contribute significantly to innovation and economic growth. Yorkshire is a region where history, culture, and natural beauty come together to create an unforgettable destination. From ancient cities and historic landmarks to breathtaking national parks and vibrant communities, Yorkshire offers something for everyone. Its proud traditions, welcoming people, and remarkable scenery continue to make it one of England's most cherished regions. Brought to you by News Desk from Morelli Edutech. Thanks for viewing our presentation. Kindly share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more informative videos.